So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, associate with Dialeasy. Welcome to Dialeasy. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you another business topic related to business ideas. So the discussion will be upon how to convert a proprietorship firm into a OPC. First, we're going to understand what is OPC, and then we are going to discuss in this video that how you can convert your proprietorship firm into a OPC. So let's start the discussion without any further delay. So OPC means one person company, which is an improved and better form of sole proprietorship firm, right? One person or one person companies are a great business organization structure for medium sized businesses. One person company is a improved and better form of sole proprietorship firm, and thus conversion of sole proprietorship into a one person company is a good business decision, right? This business structure gives the single promoter a full control over the company, and at the same time limiting his liabilities to safeguard his personal assets. And the owner of his company is a shareholder, similar to private company. And OPC may also appoint a distinct individual as director for its management. Appointment of a nominee is a mandatory in case of OPC. So the next one is we're going to discuss is what are the benefits if you convert your sole proprietorship into a OPC. So the very first benefit is separate legal. You will get a separate legal entity, hence limited liability. What is it? Basically, protection of company's personal assets assures that the owner has limited liability to the extent of his or her own share. The another benefit is an easy to manage structure. Why so? The structure of a OPC is manageable, as there is only one member. There is no requirement to hold an annual or added ordinary general meeting, right? And there is no requirement to wait for anyone's approval, as there is only one person who is the single authority to make decisions. The third one is opens better business avenues. Why so? So basically it means that large organization prefer to deal with OPC instead of proprietorship firms. OPC is registered just like a private company, and private companies are the trusted form of business, which makes it easy for them to get the funding from the financial structures or financial institutions. It gives suppliers and customers a sense of confidence in the businesses, right? And the last benefit is organized structure. The OPC or the one person company gives the company a structure similar to a private limited company, and hence make it organized with the benefit of limited liability. A sole proprietorship does not provide an organized structure. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you pretty much clear with the facts. In case of any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to cover up the same in the next video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.